So hey there, good morning everyone. My name is Riya Rai and I am a BTech Computer Science student of first year in LPU. I want to lighten two of my points of the elocution today, which says life is a rich whereas life is a poor. And I'll start up saying that if you're living a life as a rich, then you are the person who is living life on your own terms and conditions rather than living it on your own limitations. A rich person has a total mindset of how to achieve more and more wealth of the amount he or she is having right now. And even though it's too less to be thought of, but yet they are of the mindset that I will make sure this would work out. They have no space for fear in their whole path. They have guidance, they have opportunity, and most preferably they have rewards for the opportunity they achieve. And that is why they are considered to have more beginnings than endings in their life. They face a lot of failure, but they have never quit. And that's the main reason behind their success as a rich person. And now if we talk about the life of a poor person, let me make sure that if you're living a life as a poor person, then you are living a life based on the dagger of your own limitations. You can't cross your limitations. You can't achieve something which you desire. The desires are less. And in order to achieve their desires, they need to break that vicious cycle of poverty. And in order to break that vicious cycle of poverty, they need some strength, they need some power, and most preferably they need guidance. They don't have it. If they would be having it, they won't be in the cycle of vicious poverty till yet. And that is what makes the big difference of what they are now than what they could have been at present. And here I would like to end my speech saying that desires and health makes the big difference between a rich person and a poor person. Thank you.